Polyester, spandex, and nylon are just some examples of, what did you say? Fabrics that are actually considered toxic, not only to babies, but we're also wearing them as well as adults. I had absolutely no awareness around this until about a month ago. I started reading up on all of the research that's been done on the things that we're consistently and constantly exposing ourselves to, like plastic, aluminum, and so many other things that we consistently put on our body and eat and expose ourselves to, which have a compound effect and are just very toxic. So we've been making small changes here and there, trying to buy more products that are in glass and just switching the fabrics that we're wearing to more cotton-based. Just new things that we're buying. We're trying to be more conscious of it. And obviously, we're just starting this journey and nowhere close to perfect. I'm also not going to get rid of all of the stuff that I already have because that just wouldn't make any sense. The 4 fabrics that they're saying are the safest right now, based on research, is organic cotton, anything made of linen, bamboo products, and then the last one is hemp. So if you're looking to switch and kind of join in on this movement, I know a lot of people are becoming very aware. When my baby was a newborn, I recorded this video because these were some Carter's preemie zippies that I got because she did not fit in newborn size. I recorded this video because I just thought these were so adorable, but I wanted to do this voiceover because this is a really good option of 100% cotton. The brand Carter's generally does a really good job of producing non-toxic baby clothing. Another really good brand is the onesie that she was wearing in the beginning of this video, Burt's Bees. I put into Amazon 100% cotton baby clothes, and that's how I found the Burt's Bees zip-ups. My baby pretty much lives in these long sleeve footies, especially the ones with the double zipper. I absolutely love these, and that's what she wears most of the time. So if you're pregnant or having a baby, or even if you have multiple kids, to just be aware of the fabrics that you're purchasing and that some fabrics can be toxic. And that goes for us too, because like we live in spandex. Like I wear spandex everywhere all the time. I love them, but just knowing that you're putting plastic on your body. Spandex is like just plastic. It's not breathable, and it's just better to have natural derived fabrics. The next thing I'm going to be doing is switching to 100% cotton sheets. I just wanted to make this video because it's on my stream of consciousness right now, and I thought that it would be worth sharing. When I was figuring out what to put on my baby registry and just buying a lot of things when my baby was a newborn, because I was a first-time mom and had absolutely nothing, I just wish that I would have been more aware of these kinds of things. So I thought I'd share. Okay, rant over. I hope you guys have a lovely, amazing, and blessed day. Bye.